And we're back! Hello everybody. So we've got a canvas here that we completely messed up and tried to refix and demolished. So, like I said, I wanted to try, on my last video I was talking about trying to do a landscape scene. And it came out closer than I ever have. Not perfect, but closer than I ever have. But I kind of wanted to do a star effect. So, I just wanted to mess around a little bit with the black and put different colors in there and just see what happens. So I gotta get this thing covered, and let's get this part covered first, 'cause that's the grossest part there. Oops. So we, perfect canvas to practice on. Although, if you think about it, all we're doing is practicing on every single canvas. It's not like we're professionals, so. But what do they say? Practice. I tell my son all the time, Elias, practice makes perfect. But how do you do that? How do you catch it? How do you do it like that? Why practice it? Well, I'll never do it. Yes, you will. Come on, let's try. And all of a sudden he's catching it and he's super happy. Practice makes perfect, son. Son, listen to me, son. Listen here, son. Listen here, Jackie. I don't have to talk to you. Alright. Let's get all this covered in block. Anyone ever listen to Typo Negative? That guy, actually I think the dude passed away. Peter Steele, was that his name? I don't remember the singer, but Block. They had a song called Black Number 9. They were like a goth vampiric band or whatever you want to call them, I don't know, but they were popular in the 90s. They had a song called Black Number 9, and the way the guy would sing, man, he'd be like, block. I can't even do it I mean, he sounded like a vampire. Block, block, number 9. Don't copyright hit me. Alright, last time I did this, I banged my head in the camera, so let's remember, self, there is a camera right above you. Oops, that's not the black one over there. There is a camera right above you. Alright, there we go. Alright, so it is good, it is good. So now let's just try to get a little bit more uniformity? Uniformity on here a little bit. Yeah, that little part's gonna suck right there. Not much you can do about it. I used to always put these cups underneath it upside down because they're kind of a better base that way. But then I realized if I put them on the corner like this, I could sweep excess paint into them and then remix them and do it for another one. So, yeah. Okay. Keep this nice and smooth. Yeah, because I'm not sure I'm not going to swipe it, so yeah, I probably really need to get this. I probably shouldn't have swiped off so much. Yeah, let me put a little bit back on there. Did I say Typo Negative earlier, or did I say a different band? Now I'm trying to think. It was Typo Negative. I can't remember if that's the band I was talking about or not. I'm losing it, you guys. I'm losing it. And the Floetrol and everything is going to help it, start to even out. So, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I think you want to try to sort of get it the best you can there. Like I say, I'm still learning the best way to swipe, the best way to move the tools, all that kind of stuff. Shoot. Yeah, I probably had it pretty good there until I did that. Okay, I think we're good. So what I'm gonna do is see if I can kind of go like this a little bit back and forth, just to kind of get the paint to move different directions and help even it out a little bit. A little bit. Was that my rubber dino? A little bit. Oh no, you offended him a little bit. Now go home and get your dancing shoes. And that's not what he said. Go home and get your, what did he say? Oh, there's a Goodfellas, man. If you haven't seen Goodfellas, well, for one, it's a violent movie, so if you're not into that, don't watch it. But there's some memorable scenes in that show. Okay. Sorry. Bumped the darn thing again. I'm sorry. I apologize. Please forgive. Alright, so part of me wanted to do just white on here. And part of me wanted to do all the different colors. You know, I want to try just white. I want to try that. Okay, so quit yelling at me. Where's that other? Didn't I have another dropper over here that was white? Oh, I didn't use it yet. Okay. This tiny guy right there. Pop. Pop a little tiny bubble. Pop goes a weasel, goes a weasel, goes a pop. Let's get some more on that one. And another thing that helps too when you do this will make it even cooler if you go. So you can imagine with a bunch of different colors, it'd probably look pretty cool too. But I just really wanted to see what it looked like with just the white. Almost looks like, not like stars, looks more like little spiders. That was basically just a bubble. Oh geez, Margie. Margie, what you doing, Van Sloot? I'll do it to the mood. Alright. Yeah, that right there. You know what? I know I keep saying I'm done, but let's do a little bit more over here. Just get these stupid balls. Let's do a little more over here just to help take your eye off of that part. Of course, we know, but it'll be our little secret. Don't tell anybody. I think that's better. Kind of not so obvious. But that's different though, huh? I kind of like that. Little spiders, little stars, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna call it stars. They look like stars. But what if we got a really small one? I might try to do the other look too. But anyways, yeah, guys, I hope you like that one. I'll show you a couple pictures of it here in just a second. A little up closer, but leave some comments below. Like, sub, share, check out our other videos. We appreciate it. See you next one. Next one. Yeah, that works. See you on the next one. See you next time. Whatever. You got it. Bye.